इंडिया में 50% of the pregnancies are unplanned. You know, a lot of times husband says कि यार मैं अल्ट्रासाउंड में जाके मैं क्या करूँगा?
Do you still think that somewhere maternal guilt होता है और वो guilt fathers को उतना होता ही नहीं है?
Yeah, we call that mother guilt button. For men, it's a word of caution. Normally उनको लगता है कि अच्छा अब ये conceive कर गई, अब 9 महीना I am out. Majority of extramarital affairs of a guy happens in the first trimester of the first time mother. It's very difficult for a parent to say that they made mistakes.
Because there's no redo.
Get married early, have children early, and have 1 year's gap between the first and second.
Hi everyone, I'm Rohani Agarwal, co-founder of Include, a one-stop fashion destination for kids. Parenting एक बहुत ही beautiful journey है, but बहुत challenging भी. It is a journey filled with a lot of excitement, but at the same time, a lot of questions, uncertainty, self-doubt. क्या हम सही कर रहे हैं? क्या हम सही direction में हैं? At Include, we firmly believe that parenting shouldn't feel lonely. इसीलिए हम एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं जो पेरेंट्स को और कपल्स को हर एक स्टेज पर सपोर्ट करे. दिस थॉट लेड द फाउंडेशन ऑफ आवर पॉडकास्ट सीरीज द पेरेंटिंग प्लेबुक. इस सीरीज़ में हम पेरेंटिंग के हर एस्पेक्ट पर बात करेंगे, फ्रॉम प्लानिंग टू प्रेगनेंसी, इमोशंस, रिलेशनशिप्स और हर उस एस्पेक्ट के बारे में जिसे हम अक्सर इग्नोर कर देते हैं. दिस शो is especially close to my heart because I am in this journey myself. I am an expecting parent, learning, unlearning, discovering something new every single day. I invite you to walk this journey with me. साथ सीखते हैं, साथ बात करते हैं, parenting को समझने की एक शुरुआत करते हैं. Welcome to the Parenting Playbook. So let's get going with the first step, the planning stage. Family planning के बारे में सोचते ही बहुत सारे questions दिमाग में आते हैं. Is this the right time? क्या हम सही कर रहे हैं? Are we financially ready? Are we emotionally ready? How will this change our relationship? और इन्हीं सारे questions के साथ जुड़ा होता है बहुत सारा stress, बहुत सारी anxiety. So as a couple, how are we really expected to approach this phase? Let's ask someone who knows it better than the most. Please welcome Dr. Madhumati Singh, a very famous psychologist with an experience of over 36 years in holistic psychotherapy. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much. Really excited to have a conversation with you here. So, Doctor, please tell us, how are we really expected to plan a pregnancy, or why is this planning stage so important in this journey of parenthood?
बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है रूहानी, वो इसलिए getting a partner is part of the premarital and then we say अरे I've arrived now, शादी हो गई, अब चलो सब सेट है. But हम कहते हैं ज़िंदगी के पड़ाव होते हैं important. So one of the पड़ाव्स, what we say is one of the milestones is, हम 3 basically बोलते हैं, the kind of career you have, the partner you get married and the parent you become. ये 3 चीज़ें होती हैं जो ज़िंदगी का लेखा जोखा बनाती हैं. So मेरे हिसाब से, in my understanding, it's part of the courtship period, by the way. Courtship period.
Wow.
वो 7 फेरों के बाद नहीं, उससे काफ़ी पहले. Where within the couple, it's important to explore each other, to be realistically aware of each other. होता क्या है, उल्टा ही होता है. कोर्टशिप में क्या होता है, वी पुट आवर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड. आज मूवी देखने चले हैं, आज कॉफ़ी पीने चलते हैं, आज तुम्हें शॉपिंग करवा लाऊं. दोज आर सुपरफ्लुअस, विच इज़ ओके. कोर्टशिप में वी पुट आवर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड, राइट. लेकिन पेरेंटिंग इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट. ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप शुरू में ही बात शुरू करो, बट इन कॉज ऑफ नोइंग ईच अदर दैट वी आर फ्यूचर पार्टनर्स टू ईच अदर. What do you think about being a parent? That's one. So the prep begins much earlier.
Wow. इतना नहीं सोचा था, to be very honest. But I get it.
Right.
राइट. सो डॉक्टर, काफ़ी बार सब डिस्कस करते हैं कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये जानना कि आप रेडी हो या नहीं बच्चा करने के लिए. आई अंडरस्टैंड आप पहले से डिसाइड, एक बार डिस्कशन इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड फॉर बोथ द पार्टनर्स टू बी ऑन द सेम पेज कि आगे जाके बच्चा करना है या नहीं. दो अगेन दोज प्रेफरेंसेस कैन चेंज ओवर टाइम, बट how does a couple decide, let's say, after the couple gets married, are we ready to have a child?
Yes, like I said, very importantly is the prep, which is much earlier. So it should not come as a surprise. In fact, part of the premarital counseling, Ruhani, is कि अपना updated जो medical files हैं वो ज़रूरी है. क्यों? क्योंकि primary infertility is one of the biggest reasons why more and more couples are having problems conceiving. So अब जब couple को पता ही नहीं है तो उसमें वो जो precious time is lost. So it is part of, like I said, information giving. A lot of, some people ask me कि अरे ये तो बड़ी private matter है, पूछना चाहिए नहीं पूछना चाहिए. Private नहीं हो सकता जब दो लोग एक ट्रांसपेरेंट पार्टनरशिप में है. देखिए, पार्टनरशिप तभी अच्छी होती है जब आपस की ट्रस्ट हो. कैसे ट्रस्ट होगा? when there is transparency. So some kind of medical interventions need to be done at the courtship period itself. Go and figure out your primary infertility factors. Then comes the second part, like you said, when is a couple ready to have a child? See, it all depends. More and more, I think, urban setup. You'll be surprised that unplanned pregnancy, India mein 50% of the pregnancies are unplanned. And you know why it happens? Because of lack of education. It's also lack of awareness of what we need to do in terms of planning to become a parent. वो बस हो जाता है. So coming back to when is a couple ready? There are basically 2 or 3 things which go into it. The first most important thing is finances. A lot of times both people may not be on the same page. Now, which is the same page is when two people have a point of view here and here. Logic is negotiate and come halfway. That is what partnership is all about. एक पक्के तरीके से एक जवाब आपको नहीं मिलेगा. So जब हम पार्टनरशिप की बात करते हैं तो उसमें अपने पार्टनर के साथ नेगोशिएबल टेबल पे रहिए. और ये अभी नहीं, दिस इज फॉर लाइफ. इट कैन नॉट बी माई वे और द हाईवे और आई नो बेटर, बिकॉज वो सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं ईगो प्रॉब्लम्स को लेके. सो पहला होता है फाइनेंसेस जी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेकेंड इज आई वुडंट से इन दैट ऑर्डर, बट आई वुड से प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ. A lot of times I have seen women, who are in their initial stages of work or reaching the middle management. They're going to get a promotion and they're saying कि अब तो नहीं होना है. हस्बैंड या इन लॉज का प्रेशर है कि भाई अभी होना है, लेट हो रहा है. तो इस केस में प्रेरोगेटिव किसका होना चाहिए? That has to be of the woman. And the reason being that the woman is the biological, she is the child bearer parent. So child bearing parent का prerogative होता ही होता है for a simple reason कि which we'll take up later. कि कैसे mother and father. So that is the second reason, second point. Again, negotiate. Be fair to each other. There's no such thing as winning an argument and losing because you are both playing a doubles match. आप एक ही टीम में हो. तीसरा पार्ट होता है सपोर्ट, फैमिली / अदर टर्शरी सपोर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ. ये 3 चीज़ें जब सॉर्टेड होती हैं आपस में समझने की, तो आई थिंक दे बोथ लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हैविंग अ चाइल्ड.
सो डॉक्टर, आपने काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग एस्पेक्ट्स बताए इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेडीनेस, राइट? एंड गिवन दैट आई हैव बीन ऑन दिस जर्नी माई सेल्फ एंड वी ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू अ प्लानिंग स्टेज एंड काफ़ी डिफरेंट था, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग भी था. So the co-founder in Include is my husband, Ashwin, and it was very different for us. In fact, when we started on this journey, and given that you said, right, कि courtship से ही start हो जाता है ये सब, I feel like things also change over time, right? Because when we had started, I was in a full-fledged corporate job and had a flourishing career. He was in a very different role. Had his own side hustle. And we had talked about keeping our journeys very distinct professionally. And एक thought आता था कि इसको अलग रखेंगे बिल्कुल. so that personally कोई चीज़ mix ना हो. And gradually, you know, after we got married, we kept on going. And eventually there came a moment when we decided कि साथ में करते हैं. And I think, you know, to your point, that it also depends on how emotional you get with each other or what kind of compatibility and relationship you develop over time. I think it happened, it was a risk, and it was a milestone, right? And as the relationship evolves over time, it so happened that we decided to work together. And now, you know, 2 years, 3 years hence, there's a new milestone that came. And when we started discussing that, ठीक है, अब बच्चा करना है, age हो रही है, and obviously, you know, we will discuss about that.
Yes.
Age हो रही है, but करना है बच्चा. And again, I think the single biggest factor, obviously, finances are there. But doctor, इसी में थोड़े emotional aspect के बारे में भी बात करते हैं. In fact, emotions से ज़्यादा apprehensions के बारे में. When couples come to you, what are the biggest fears they come with when they're planning, and how do you suggest them to tackle those?
Ruhani, most of the apprehensions are sorted and taken care of when you are under medical supervision. You have qualified, trained doctors with whom you are in touch. Because देखिए, ये एक मेडिकल एस्पेक्ट है और बहुत बड़ा ज़िंदगी का एक डिसीजन है. सो अगर आप पूछें आप क्यों मेडिकल बोल रहे हैं, वो इसलिए कि जिन लेडीज़ को मेडिकल इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, that's why we say that you know, the incidence of MTP or abortions or unplanned pregnancies are generally happening in the rural areas. About 30%, 20% is in the urban area. क्या वजह है? Lack of information and knowledge. So basically under supervision of a medical doctors, that's the first thing which takes care of these uncalled for. You know, कुछ हो तो नहीं जाएगा, अच्छा जिम्मेदारी का काम है, ये मैं कर पाऊंगी नहीं, मुझे कोई फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. दैट्स सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेडिकल पार्ट इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. नाउ वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइकोलॉजिकल एप्रीहेंशंस. देखिए, फर्स्ट टाइम पेरेंट बनने में सबसे पहला चैलेंज आता है, विल आई बी अ गुड पेरेंट?
Absolutely, मुझे है. Yeah.
राइट. सो ये जो चीज़ है ना, ये पहली चीज़ तो स्वाभाविक है. It's not something to feel challenged about. It's not something to, you know, badger yourself about. This apprehension is valid. For example, the first time pregnancies में जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो second time में नहीं होती हैं. For example, हर चीज़ में ना overthinking, overreading. There's a, अभी तो आपका बेबी हुआ नहीं है. The first baby when it happens, you know, थोड़ा सा छींकता, अरे इसको क्या हो गया, अरे भागो, ये करो. Second child, अरे हो जाएगा, ठीक है, it's fine. It's part of being a parent for the first time, which means कुछ हद तक apprehensions जायज़ हैं, उनको आने दो, और वो कैसे चले जाएंगे when you are dealing with it medically. And like I said, socially, financially. Majority of women have fears on what is the child like, is everything okay? Like I said, medically. Medically, in fact, now there are tests to, you know, you have your DNA tests which are there to ensure that, you know, all the other, the birthing issues, जो medical issues होते हैं बच्चे के, you know, may not be a properly developed kid, वो सारे factors are preempted. So, like I said, apprehensions are more medical in nature. Once you know how to move forward, and the important part being, एक और important चीज़ है. Normally, एक बड़ा, I must share this with you, very interesting case. There is this lady, same thing, young couple. She is professionally doing better than the husband, slightly better, और काफ़ी go getter है, और कहती है कि भाई बच्चा तो करना ही करना है because social pressures and my body, my biological, you know, thing is, you know, वक्त जा रहा है. I am 30 something. So now is her anger towards her partner. कि यार तुम तो बड़े आराम से हो भैया, मेरी जिंदगी टॉपल होने वाली है. So now what happens is she would need to get into therapy, or it could be a support system, talking to somebody else. Basically saying that of course you're going to go through changes. Not your husband, you know, the husband is not the child-bearing parent. So जिंदगी टॉपल, फिर वो कहती मुझे क्या मिलेगा इसमें. See,
Correct.
what will I derive out of it?
Yeah.
It's a tough question. Now, so then she asked me, she says कि मुझे कैसे पता चले that I am actually ready to be a mother?
Correct.
Because I really feel कि ये फालतू का काम है ये, मतलब why should I be put into it because everybody is supposed to be having a kid? I said, not at all. Everybody is not supposed to be having a kid. That means you have a conflict. It is not your partner. It is not the society. She says, yes, you're right, doc. I'm in a conflict कि बच्चे जब दिखते हैं तो हाँ यहाँ होना तो चाहिए, लेकिन जब बच्चा वही रो रहा है या उसको मम्मी भाग के डॉक्टर के पास ले जा रही है, she says, यार क्या आफत है, या बच्चा रो रहा है. I said, you are in a conflict. And what happens then when you are in a conflict? Conflict is resolved when you take a paper pen. It's very easy. Is take a paper pen, the pros and cons. वो लेकिन डिसीजन आपको लेना. हमको क्या लगता है कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हमारा है और डिसीजन कोई और लेगा. No, it doesn't work like that. And there are women and men who willfully choose not to have children, which is perfectly fine. It's a reality of life. So ये चीज़ again for the audience, is कि ये कोई ऐसे नायाब creature नहीं है कि जी कोई औरत या आदमी बच्चा ना करना चाहे. It's not anything shocking. We are not living in the 1800s, 50s or 1900s. पहला तो ये पॉइंट है. सेकेंड, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की वजह से होता है. और तीसरा पॉइंट ये है कि इट इज़ ट्रू दैट द फर्स्ट, I would say a year and a half, till the time the kid is a year, 1.5 years old, चलने फिरने लायक, तब तक ज़्यादातर जिम्मेदारी, 80% of the responsibility is on the mother. And I'm not saying responsibility, it is a default. It's a byproduct, no? एक चीज़ में से, अब मदर कैंगरू है, उसका पाउच है, उसी में बच्चा बैठा है, तो अब है तो बायोलॉजिकली है, क्योंकि माँ बच्चे को जन्म देती है, माँ ही बच्चे के साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करती है. उठना, जागना, बैठना, ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग, everything is happening. So what happens is, in fact, I must share this with you, very interesting thing happens, is that जितनी तैयारी लड़की को, तो लड़के को भी क्या तैयारी करनी चाहिए. अच्छा, ये तो एक अलग ही टॉपिक है. What do guys go through about when a woman decides to have a child? पता है उसको क्या लगता है? उसको लगता है abandonment. That अरे this person was totally mine, is not mine anymore. There's going to be somebody else who will share her. They actually go through abandonment issues. And I have, like I said, in therapy, we do talk about it, that they become जैसे कि कोई खो गया हो, जैसे कोई person. They feel कि अरे यार, because they're not able to relate to the first trimester, they're not able to relate. Now, what can be done? Let both the partners go through, अरे इतनी अच्छी अच्छी किताबें, illustrations वाली मोटी मोटी किताबें on pregnancies की होती हैं. अब हमारे टाइम में होता था, अब तो और अच्छी बुक्स हो गई होंगी. Let both the partners be aware of what changes happen, and it's a journey that both people have to live with.
Interesting. So, doctor, actually, let's break it down. इसमें आपने जैसे वो example बताया that female was a go-getter, right, and was actually doing professionally better than the partner. That was one case, but let's maybe simplify that. And you also mentioned, right, that there are cases when people are choosing not to have kids at all. And I'm assuming these situations arise more when both the partners are working, right?
Correct.
Husband भी काम कर रहे हैं, wife भी काम कर रही हैं. So in such situations, do you think it is important to have equal parenting intentions to begin with? Do you think it's important that both the partners have a conversation how distribution of responsibilities will look like, how career transformations will take place, and what kind of discussion should they have? या ये सब planning बहुत ज़्यादा भी है, इतना discussion करने का कोई need नहीं है.
I know, like as we were talking earlier, is that हमारा जो generation previous कहते हैं भाई हमने तो कोई planning नहीं की थी, हो गए बस. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो पहले जो चीज़ हुई है वो perfect हो. There's always scope for improvement. We are a human model, scope for improvement every single generation.
Do we need to discuss distribution of responsibilities?
Yes.
Do we need to discuss that हाँ सिर्फ मैं ही mother नहीं बन रही, आप भी फादर बन रहे हैं।
बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, पता है, उसी में ही वहीं पर ये बॉन्डिंग शुरू होती। मैंने देखा है कि जिन कपल्स में स्टेप बाय स्टेप हस्बैंड, यू नो, लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स हस्बैंड सेज कि यार मैं अल्ट्रासाउंड में जाके मैं क्या करूँगा उसको देख के, वो जो दिख रहा है समथिंग इज मूविंग. It's not the moving or not moving. It's the, you said a word, emotional. You get emotionally connected to something happening to your family. That's why I repeat again. For men, it's a word of caution. Normally उनको लगता है कि अच्छा अब ये कंसीव कर गई, अब 9 महीना I am out. मैं तो, मेरा तो कोई काम नहीं है यहाँ पर. That is a complete red flag. Because by the way, it has been found that according to one study, majority of extramarital affairs of a guy happens in the first trimester of the first time mother.
Wow.
You'd be wondering, ये कहाँ से आ गई बात?
Yeah.
वो इसलिए आ गई कि जो मैंने अभी बात बोली कि अब प्रेग्नेंट हो गया, मतलब अब झंडे गाड़ दिए हमने.
Yeah.
अब जो है, now I can do, you are not connecting to that very important part of forever life. This kid is going to be your, so simple thing is, शुरुआत से ही अपना स्पीड वर्क करिए. इवन इफ इट कम्स एज अ लिटिल स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट, छुट्टी लेनी पड़ती है, हाफ डे लेना पड़ता है, लो ना. इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो. टाइम इज मनी, मनी इज टाइम. सो व्हेन यू इन्वेस्ट, द, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्रांड न्यू टू बी फादर, you are going to automatically on a default feel equally excited together with the whole idea of having the baby. Now comes the second part. You asked me कि planning, yes, बिल्कुल planning की ज़रूरत है. Planning to the T. फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में क्या होता है, सेकंड में क्या होता है, कब तक आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो, कब तक यू कैन हैव सेक्स, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लव मेकिंग इज अलाउड. बोथ पार्टनर्स नीड टू गो टुगेदर. Majority of times it has been noticed in majority of families that the woman feels resentful for exactly this reason, that they feel कि क्या मेरा ही काम है. And I'm talking about today, I'm not talking about what happened in 1900s. Today she says, you know, I have sacrificed something, I've put something on the back burner, तो मेरी जिम्मेदारी टोटली क्यों होनी चाहिए. So coming back to, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है लड़कों को, just need to be with your partner. And now comes the next part, like you asked me कि क्या planning इसमें होती है. Planning is very clear, like I said, support system. Now you asked me a very important, good question, और मैं थोड़ा सा मजाक भी करती हूँ इस चीज़ को लेके. भाई अगर मम्मी डायपर रात को चेंज कर रही हैं तो वो डायपर ऐड के लिए तो ठीक है, डायपर जल्दी बिक जाएंगे क्योंकि पापा भी रात को वो डायपर चेंज कर रहे हैं. It's a good ad.
Yeah.
But unrealistic. For a simple reason, both will get exhausted. ये जो ना equality के चक्कर में ना,
Correct.
ये हम लोग थोड़ा सा चीज़ों को ना skewed तरह से देख रहे हैं. So it is like you divide. In fact, as when we talk of relationship counseling, I normally say people, lot of youngsters have this issue. साथ साथ करने चाहिए सारे काम. You know, किचन में जा रहे हैं तो एक सब्जी काट. I said क्यों? जिससे दोनों ही थक जाएं, दोनों एग्जॉस्टेड हो जाए. टेक टर्न्स, नो. यू हैव 7 days, 3 days इज योर्स, 3 days इज माइन. वन पर्सन कैन, यू नो, पैर ऊपर करके आराम से यू कैन जस्ट डू सम व्हाइल योर पार्टनर इज मेकिंग समथिंग. सेम इज अबाउट पेरेंटिंग. प्लीज डू नॉट एग्जॉस्ट योर सेल्फ एंड ये होड़ में कि माई टर्न, योर टर्न, डजंट वर्क. दैट्स वन. लॉट ऑफ इन कपल काउंसलिंग फादर्स से, भाई हमें तो बच्चे को पकड़ना नहीं आता. क्यों नहीं पकड़ना आता? व्हाई? Because you did not do what needed to be done in the beginning. It's not difficult. And let me also tell you, by the way, there's another bit of a dichotomy. A lot of times couples में मैं पूछती हूँ, मैं लड़कों को पूछती हूँ कि तुम्हारा बचपन कैसा था. He says, हाँ बिल्कुल, I mean my father and we have a very formal relationship. And I said, okay, what does your father feel? He says कि हाँ, my father feels that I should have been more of a friend earlier than now. Now it's too late because हम लोगों में वो generation gap दिखता है. मैंने कहा वो इसलिए, यही वजह है. Do you also want your child to feel scared and have the generation gap, or you want to be together? He says that makes sense. So which means that when you are in the pregnancy stage, in the conception onward stage with your partner, you will be having a better but then like I said, divide. So the father would say कि तुम जाओ ना, तुमको पार्लर जाना है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाओ घूमने, हैव फन. ऑफ कोर्स 40 days तक तो यू डोंट, ऑफ कोर्स. उसके बाद so the father learns to do that. Learns to do that. And let me tell you, fathers who actually learn to do that, they say, I am so happy doing it. Some friends of mine make fun of me. यार तू तो बिल्कुल ही domesticated हो गया है यार, ऐसे कैसे ये वो. He says, I don't, I wonder why they say that, because they're losing out so much.
Yeah.
So that's very important.
But doctor, a lot of times what happens is that males are showing that willingness also. हमें भी contribute करना है. In this age and era, things are changing for good, right? But do you still think that somewhere maternal guilt होता है और वो guilt fathers को उतना होता ही नहीं है?
Good one. Yeah, we call that mother guilt button.
Yeah.
एक डिफॉल्ट स्विच रहता है, वो अपने आप ही ऑन हो जाता है. यू नो, बच्चा बीमार पड़ गया तो पहली चीज माँ को लगता है यार मेरी गलती से हुआ है, वो अपने आप उसका ही ऑन होता है पहले. Now good question you're asking, where is it coming from? First and foremost, like I said, it's a default button, and I'll tell you the reason why. What I just spoke few minutes back is that the woman is the primary childbearing parent. तो umbilical cord तो माँ से जुड़ा हुआ होता है, तो वो हम कहते हैं it's on a default button. But the default button has to be tweaked in modern times. अगर हम हर चीज़ default button को करें तो फिर हम अभी भी caves में होते हैं. अभी भी वो कच्चा मीट लाता और वो हम लोग अभी पका रहे होते हैं वहाँ पे. Evolution is what you and I are talking today, is the ability to say yes, definitely something goes right or wrong. वो जो बटन पहले टिंग रेड या ग्रीन ऑन होता है, वो माँ के,
वो ब्लेम करेंगे अपने आप को,
वो अपने आप ही होता है, उसको आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. बट what you can work on, you means both people need to work on is a teamwork. So very importantly, the cultural conditioning, you know. ये बड़ी सैड सी बात है, लेकिन जब कपल्स का झगड़ा होता है ना, तो वो इनवेरिएबली बच्चों को लाया जाता है बीच में. और उसमें फिर यही बोला जाता है कि लड़का मतलब बच्चा अच्छा हो गया तो जी वी आर गुड पेरेंट्स, अच्छा कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई, ड्रग्स ले रहा है कुछ भी, या मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आ रहे, तो भैया तुम्हारी गलती है, तुम ऑफिस से देर से आती हो तो तुम्हारा. दैट मीन्स अगेन, सी यू मी, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, रूहानी, there is no scope of saying we are not pitting against each other, no?
Yeah, it's a teamwork.
It's a double game.
Yeah.
The moment you put that in your mind, the child's failing is equally your responsibility. And I think there's a lot of changes happening. आपने बताया अभी that a lot of men are willing to do that.
Yeah.
So that particular, yes, default button तो है, लेकिन बहुत scope है, और and I think kudos to a lot of men who are saying that we want to be participative in parenting.
काफ़ी बार होता है that if both the partners are working, one of them travels quite often, right? And as a result, the couple ends up having a long distance relationship even after getting married. Or even if not a long distance relationship, one of them is traveling very, very frequently. In such situations, do you think it is advisable to plan a kid?
Sure. I repeat again, systems have to be in place. For example, exactly what we're talking about, you know, there's a family, इंडियन है, वो बाहर जाके सेटल हुए, सिंगापुर सेटल हो गए, अब मम्मी पापा ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, वट एवर रीजन्स, यू हैव योर अदर सिस्टम्स इन प्लेस, यू हैव अ नैनी, यू हैव गवर्नर्स, यू हैव सम अदर वेज, देन सो या एब्सोल्युटली. सो ये देखिए, वन पेरेंट प्रेफरेबली, लॉट ऑफ पीपल से नहीं दोनों पेरेंट्स की होने की ज़रूरत है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डबल इनकम फैमिलीज, we are talking about professional aspirations, we are talking about higher education and saying, hey, I want my generation to be far more progressive than what. So जब आप ये करोगे तो थोड़ा आपको short change करना पड़ता है. short change का मतलब क्या है कि दोनों, वो क्या है ना, आइडियल वो
नहीं होता,
वो अगर नहीं है उस वक्त, तो those are the some compromises you will have to make.
सो डॉक्टर, इसमें बहुत क्लियरली एक लाइन निकल के आई है दैट वो इमोशनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए पार्टनर्स में, पर काफ़ी बार होता है दैट रिलेशनशिप बहुत स्मूथ नहीं चल रही है, काफ़ी उतार चढ़ाव चल रहे हैं, और उस सिचुएशन में बोला जाता है आप बच्चा कर लो, रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रांग हो जाएगी. डू यू थिंक इट इज़ बेटर टू डिले हैविंग अ चाइल्ड if a relationship is going through unresolved conflicts, or do you actually think that parenthood strengthens weak bonds?
Absolute humbug. This is a regressive thought. Because those children were born in this phase doesn't make those children and that methodology correct. हाँ, हो गए बस, तो हो गए बस. अभी भी करना चाहते हो आप? नहीं. We are more aware. No. So very important. नहीं, अगर लड़ाइयाँ हो रही हैं तो उस एनवायरनमेंट में एक बच्चे के आने से लड़ाइयाँ बढ़ती हैं, फ्रस्ट्रेशन बढ़ता है, और एक बहुत टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट में इनफैक्ट कंसीविंग एंड द वुमन इज हैविंग डिफिकल्टीज. 99% chances the child will be born in terms of emotions will be very emotional. We know that the kind of impact it has. तो ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा एक मिथ है, और इसको प्लीज़, ये बिल्कुल 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 रिग्रेसिव थॉट है ये.
राइट. काफ़ी बार ये भी बोलते हैं लोग कि हमें बच्चा इसलिए चाहिए क्योंकि हमें अपनी लेगेसी आगे बढ़ानी है, अपना वैल्यू सिस्टम आगे बढ़ाना है, पहचान आगे बढ़ानी है. डू यू थिंक दैट इज़ द राइट रीज़न टू हैव अ बेबी?
Sure, progeny.
Yeah.
Carrying our genes forward is one of the important reasons why people get married.
Yeah.
Because when you get married, you have legitimate children. Of course, now we are talking about 3 to 5% of the population going in for the single parent and, you know, assisted pregnancies and so on. Majority of people still get married primarily to have children. One of the reasons. So, एक तो होता है progeny, absolutely right. ज़रूरी है, हम कहते हैं कि, but then that's not the only reason. If somebody says ऐसा होता नहीं है normally, that is one of the factors. But if somebody says just to carry family name, वो भी अब धीरे धीरे, हालांकि अभी भी हम कहेंगे, देखिए इंडिया 70% is rural. So अभी भी वो you know, carrying the family name is equal to boy and the girl is married off and somebody else. वो अभी भी है, वो रहेगा for another 100 years, maybe more. But urban setup में थोड़ा changes आए हैं, especially in the educated urban society, and we know that we are talking of empowering of the girl child, we are talking of educating girls and so on, and equal rights and so on, you know. तो उसमें जब इक्वालिटी आ रही है तो वो चीज़ें ना अब नल एंड वॉइड होती जा रही हैं, जो अवेयर लोग हैं, क्योंकि अब देखा गया है कि बीट स्पोर्ट्स, beat politics, you know, more and more girls are coming up, and in every field, actually, I would say, in every field possible. So carrying your genetics forward is, yes, a very important contributor, लेकिन वो सिर्फ एक ही फैक्टर नहीं है, और भी कई चीज़ें आती हैं उसमें.
बट स्टिल हमारी जो ओल्डर जनरेशन है वो काफ़ी बार बोलती है, एंड एज यू ऑल्सो मैंशन राइट, दैट तुम्हारी जनरेशन बहुत ओवर थिंक करती है, बहुत ओवर प्लान करती है. हमने तो इतना नहीं प्लानिंग की आपके होने से पहले. आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या ये सही है, ये गलत है? डज दिस जनरेशन ओवर थिंक एंड ओवर प्लान?
ये जो जनरेशन है ना, जो कहते हैं कि हमने तो प्लान नहीं किया, वो डीप डाउन सोचते हैं काश प्लान किया होता.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so planning is important.
Very difficult for a parent to say that they made mistakes, especially
Because there's no redo.
Absolutely, especially the baby boomers and the Gen X, millennials तो भी हैं, मैं बोलूँगी baby boomers, Gen X, ये वाली जो generation है, they have done nothing wrong, they have been perfect. वो एक दिमाग में जो एक मिथ्या है, we all make mistakes. So simply coming back to कि ये ओवर नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ, मैं एक चीज़ ज़रूर बोलूँगी कि कई बार क्या होता है, ये डॉक्टर्स ने कुछ बात बोली, तो चैट जीपीटी के पास जाएंगे और 4 लोगों से पूछेंगे. ओवर थिंकिंग, दैट इज ओवर डूइंग. 1 कप चाय में आधा चम्मच चीनी टेस्ट नाइस, 3 चम्मच चीनी डालोगे तो चाय खराब हो जाएगी. किसी भी चीज़ को लेके पेरेंटिंग इज ओनली वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. Suppose if, so you follow. So coming back to, for example, I must share this very funny thing with you. There's a girl, so she says, this whole thing of getting her hair done. Yeah. She knew what she needed very clearly. वहाँ जाके वो कंफ्यूज कर दिया उसको कि तुमको ये ऐप देते हैं, देखो ये सॉफ्टवेयर है. She says something I had thought of. They just messed with my brain for half an hour and I came back without getting it done. What I'm saying is overdoing something. That, they have that software to tell this hairstyle will look nice on you. What I'm saying is, part of overthinking is when you have too much of information. So zyada information is not good, but the important thing is, I feel minuting and minute detailing about things make things better, more effective. However, parenting, for example, we are not talking of parenting right now, but sometimes parenting, especially the firstborn, there is a lot of unnecessary competition, one-upmanship with other mothers, fathers, with school, this whole thing, which we can maybe discuss later some other time. That, barring out that, अगर कोई पेरेंट कहता है कि हमने तो इतना नहीं किया, वो उनके मन में सोचते होंगे कि काश कर लिया होता. Because I think awareness is a good thing. There's nothing wrong with that. Yes, going to chat GPT after you've been is not a good thing, because वो भी आपको घुमा देगा.
But then do you think that over planning actually leads to indecision, right? As you said, प्लान करते हैं, वो बालों का हेयर स्टाइल सोच के गई थी, बट वो कुछ करा के नहीं आई, राइट? सो इट रिजल्ट्स इन इंडिसिजन because couples increasingly are facing issues, right, related to medical issues maybe. We all know, and there are studies to point out, that female fertility peaks in early 20s,
Yes.
starts declining after the age of 30, drastically drops after the age of 35.
Okay.
So there are biological implications of delaying a child.
Right.
So how do you think that's affecting, like that over planning, is that leading to indecision, because of which couples these days are having issues? And as you mentioned, right, unintended pregnancies ho rahi hain, but there are a lot of parents who want kids and are not able to have kids. So is that over planning actually causing issues?
Over planning in itself is not bad, but over planning, if it leads to, there's no such thing as over planning. It's actually indecisiveness of both the people to be on the same page. It's not so much over planning. Both have to agree, na?
Yeah.
A simple thing is, भाई मेरी मम्मी आएंगी तुम्हारी मम्मी आएंगी. अब यहाँ अगर तुम लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हो, तो फिर definitely it's not over planning, it's indecisive. When two people are, like I said, if the thumb rule is negotiating in a healthy partnership, meeting halfway, without egos involved, all kinds of planning is good, even if it means over. Over planning, what we say goes wrong, is where we don't come to a midway point. Otherwise, nahi hota hai. See, because, okay, there's another thing. One person wants to have a child. Let's say the man wants that we should have a child. The woman doesn't want to, which we talked in the earlier stage. Meet halfway. It cannot be that a person is rigid and doesn't have explanations for it. It can't be कि मैंने बोल दिया तो बोल दिया. वो movies में होता है. Real life में होता है. Two people want to coexist with each other. They both want to be happy with each other. कोई भी नहीं चाहता है किसी घर, अपने ही घर के माहौल में acrimony हो, मुंह फुला के घूम रहे हैं. कोई नहीं चाहता है. So have the ability to meet halfway. And I think there's no such thing as over planning in my understanding.
So doctor, हमने काफ़ी बातें करी around what all aspects should be kept in mind before a couple plans a child. How do you think these dynamics change when a couple thinks of the second child?
या बड़ी झगड़े होते हैं. चाहिए नहीं, एक ही बहुत है. Same thing, we back to the same why, what are the reasons? You cannot be impatient about negotiating with your partner for your future. Give it time. For example, I must share this. A lot of times women tell me कि वो तो ना बात करने को रेडी नहीं है. तो आपको भी उसी वक्त बात करनी है क्या? आप पूछ लो उससे कि अच्छा आज नहीं बात करते, हम लोग वीकेंड पे आधा घंटा निकाल लें प्लीज़. ये टोन यूज़ करोगे आप, प्लीज़ निकाल लें half an hour. Just I want to know what is in your head. It doesn't mean half an hour I want you to listen to me. That's not the approach. So two people, like I repeated to you earlier, both people want to coexist happily with each other. So you have to be persistent, meet halfway. So coming back to ये जो मेरा मन नहीं है, अब बात मत करो, this is all temporary stuff. You need to figure out. There are times where a lot of couples say one, they plan to have two, but now because of job constraints, family, they want to have just one. That's fine. But in my understanding, it's better to have, I mean, personally, I feel it's good to have two kids. But it's not a rule. It's not a rule. It's a very personal choice. And the point we were talking about कि तब क्या होता है, yes, झगड़े बहुत होते हैं, और झगड़ा ना करके आप एक दूसरे के साथ रीजनेबल डिस्कशन एक सेशन में नहीं होगा, आप बैठिए 10-15 मिनट बात कीजिए आपस में, that what are the minuses that you're looking at. Sometimes you will be surprised just by having a discussion, the person who is rigid about it na says हाँ यार, not a bad idea actually. So yeah, that also happens.
But is there a right time? हाँ, अब second child की बात करते हैं, because a lot of studies that recommend कि 3-year का gap is good enough, that promotes maternal health, child health. But do you think there is a right age gap between the first and second child?
Ruhani, my take is a little, like I said, little conventional here, is get married early, have children early, and have 1 year's gap between the first and second. 1.5 max. The reason being that the woman has put her life on hold. And एक nappy time बस वो चलना ही शुरू किया होता है, दूसरा is ready. So the nappy and that whole phase transition from one kid to the second is better if you have lesser gap. Whereas what happens with 3 years is the kid is already gone to play school and beyond. आप भी अपने comfort job में आ जाते हो, फिर आपको फिर से pregnancy का सोचना, it becomes like a big mountain. Better is 1 year gap. 1.25 साल, if you can, if you want. But I repeat again, as we were talking also, Ruhani, more and more couples are choosing to have one kid, and that's perfectly okay.
But डॉक्टर आपने कहा 1 year gap.
हाँ जी.
But काफ़ी बार that also results in sibling rivalry, right? ज़्यादा competition होता है, 1 ही साल का gap है.
नहीं, sibling rivalry तो 5 साल के gap में भी हो जाता है.
But still there is a lot of times that results in more of a...
All the more reasons, see? Then the power play doesn't happen. मैं बड़ा हूँ, मेरा कहना मानो. मैं बड़ी हूँ, बड़ी दीदी हूँ, दीदी बुलाओ. The whole thing of senior, junior, equal, playmates, same. So when your ego levels are same, you will mutually respect each other and coexist. Coexist, वही same चीज़. बड़ा है तो हम कहते हैं पहले भैया लेगा या पहले दीदी. यहाँ पे आप दोनों को coexist करना है. And I believe, okay, there's another thing, like I repeat to you, sibling rivalry can happen for any reason. But we are looking at what works for the mother. Because the mother has to, let me tell you, happy mothers will bring happy children in this world. परेशान, कुंठित, frustrated, pressure डाला हुआ है अपने आप पे कि. So let the mother have the prerogative of saying, hey, listen, it's a good idea. I repeat, there's another thing I must also, like I repeat, I've been saying this to you earlier. जब हम family support की बात करते हैं ना, support, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि continuity में जब रहेगा ना, तो आपका खुद का family system is also ready with it. नहीं तो मैंने normally बाद में देखा है कि let's say relocate हो गए, but God forbid one of the in-laws is no, या suddenly जैसे आपके sister-in-law है, उसके बच्चे छोटे थे तब, अब suddenly बच्चे high school में, भाई भाभी मेरे पास तो time नहीं है, my kid isn't doing 10th. What I'm saying is
that ecosystem gets disrupted.
Ecosystem is in continuity, and I repeat again, our primary focus is the
mother.
Yes, the child-bearing parent.
This brings us to the next segment, Raise the Flag segment. So basically, in this segment, I will share a few common things that people think or do related to planning, and you have to tell whether it's a red flag or a green flag. We expect parenting to come instinctively because our parents managed without much guidance.
Instinctively, yes. We have the maternal instinct and paternal instinct. Instinctively, it is part of our hormones.
We are clear that when we become parents, we'll have the final decision-making power in how we raise our child and not the grandparents.
Green. And the reason being, जो generation change होता है, उसके साथ साथ parenting methods also change. But the important part is decision making is definitely parents. Advice go to has to be parents कि आपकी क्या राय है, उनको include ज़रूर करें parenting में.
We've talked about what kind of parenting we don't want to repeat from our child.
Very good, I think. Great. Yes, should do.
Discussion, extreme level of discussion. Is that it? We are okay being the couple who waits or chooses differently, even if it makes our family gatherings uncomfortable.
हाँ, absolutely correct. Yes.
So it's okay to
It's
plan
okay.
well.
It's okay to plan well. It's okay. It's a good idea, in fact.
We expect our relationship to take a back seat for a few years once we become parents.
Oh, no. No. Not at all. In fact, it strengthens, that's why I said, prepping both people being into the parenting phase, how to keep the romance alive, even if you feel that your partner is taking out time for the baby. Bilkul bhi nahi ji. Work on it. It can keep alive and thriving, and you can continue to feel romantic with each other forever.
Just a different phase of life.
Yes, different phase of life.
And enjoy it.
Yes, it need not be this. It has to be this.
We assume love for the baby will outweigh exhaustion, resentment, or loss of identity.
Eventually, yes. It will outweigh. Eventually. Always, if you ask, we all know one of the most painful pains a human being has are labor pains. But you ask a mother of 2, 3, 4, they don't remember. They say, हाँ था तो बहुत बड़ा, लेकिन ये जो मज़ा है. Yes, it does outweigh, without a doubt. That is what being a mother is all about, I guess.
Or becoming a parent is what about.
Becoming a parent is all about. Yes, absolutely.
This brings us towards the next segment of our podcast. Did you know that there's a clear paradox in India? Many people are unable to have kids when they want to, while many are having unintended pregnancies. As per a study conducted by the United Nations Population Fund, over 36% of the respondents reported unintended pregnancies, while over 30% reported they were unable to have a kid when they wanted. This gap clearly highlights that planning is no longer optional but essential, and planning is nothing but an alignment between partners, between expectations and reality, between emotional readiness and practical preparedness. इस एपिसोड में हमने इन सभी एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में, चाहे वो प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स हो, इमोशनल एस्पेक्ट्स हो, साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स हो, इन सभी के बारे में बात की है. Thanks a lot, Dr. Madhumati Singh, for your valuable insights.
Pleasure is mine, Rohani, and wish you good luck.
Thank you so much, Doctor. With this, we close the first chapter of the parenting playbook. In the next episode, we will discuss the next aspect of the journey. Do share your thoughts and opinions on the same. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who you feel can benefit from this. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Please welcome Dr. Karishma Bhatia.
We also have to check all the blood group, hemoglobin status. I don't know if you're aware, 54% of women in India are actually anemic. Infertility is defined as if you are trying for 12 months and you are not able to conceive. That is when we label this as infertility.